Hi, and welcome to Nature Glow Over 50. Today, we are going to help the face wake up, let go of puffiness, and bring some fresh energy back into the skin. As we move through each step, breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Nothing rushed, nothing forced. Just a slow, easy movements. If it feels good, go ahead and gently close your eyes. Let's begin. Rub your hands together for about 5 seconds. Feel that warmth building in your palms and fingertips. That warmth is what we are bringing to the face, soft, ready, and awake. Place your ring fingers right under your eyes, starting near the inner corners. As you breathe out, gently sweep outward toward the temples. Lift your fingers, come back to the center, and repeat. Keep your touch very light here. This area doesn't like pressure, just kindness. Now, bring your fingers beside your nose, right on the apples of your cheeks. Take a breath in, and as you breathe out, gently sweep upward and outward toward the ears. Move slowly, like you are lifting the skin with a soft breeze. No rushing. Do this 4 times until you feel a little warmth coming into the cheeks. That's your circulation waking up. Bring your fingers under the jaw, starting at the chin. Take a breath in here. As you breathe out, glide along the jawline toward the ears. Move nice and slow. If you notice tension, that's normal. Just let it soften as you go. Repeat this 4 times, helping the jaw relax and the face feel lighter and lifted. Place your fingertips just behind the ears. Take a breath in. Make small, slow circles here. As you breathe out, gently sweep your fingers down the side of the neck all the way to the collarbone. Let's repeat this flow 4 times. Circles behind the ears, then sweep down the neck. Keep the pressure light. This helps open the drainage for the face. Now, we are going to add a few drops of lotion along the center of the face, beside the lips, next to the nose, under the eyes, between the eyebrows, and on the forehead. Inhale and make gentle little circles over the drops. Exhale and sweep outward toward the cheeks and temples. Take your time, letting the lotion sink in, slowly, easy, and soothing. Repeat this for all points, feeling your face wake up and drink in the lotion. Take one last deep breath in through your nose and a long, easy breath out through your mouth. Notice how your face feels now. A little lighter, a little fresher, more awake. Come back to this whenever your face needs a gentle wake up. Thank you for spending this time with me.